everybody, and welcome back to my channel for another week of my Plan With Me series for the Happy Planner. So welcome back. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you decide to subscribe and join our weekly planning crew. So this is a Plan With Me series every Sunday for the Happy Planner, but you guys can use whatever planner you like, and I just hope that these videos inspire you to either plan your week, plan your month, or decorate your planner. So this week's theme is following along with last week's of Valentine's Day, and here is my last week's spread. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check that video out. It is up and running as we speak. And this week I wanted to do something a little bit more fun, a little bit more sultry, so I went ahead with the Victoria's Secret Valentine theme, as you can see here. And that's what this week's going to be about. If this is, not one that you're into, you can also check last week's, or you can look at last year's. I will leave a link to the ones I did last year, either below or at the end of this video for you guys. All right, so grab your planner, whether you're decorating your planner or you're just planning out your week. I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm going to start off by showing you the washi that I'm going to be using. This is similar to last week. So this is my Valentine washi that I got from Michael's. And here are the different printouts that I did off of Google Images that I'm going to be working with. I really wanted to keep it, I wanted to pick pictures that were very specific to Victoria's Secret, but also not too daring, if you know what I mean, which is why I went with this silhouette as my main picture. I always like to have one main picture. It's kind of my signature for my Plan With Me. And that's pretty much it. I do have a few stickers as well. So I used these ones last week. These are my numbers that I like to use. I'm going to use, I might use these. These are really beautiful pearl stickers from the dollar store. And then I have these self-adhesive red stickers from the dollar store as well. And then I have these left over from last year. These are some heart stickers. I believe these are from the Dollar Tree. And that's pretty much it. Other than my glue stick, I've got my ice cap like I always do. And yeah, let's get started, guys.